My Samsung dishwasher model DW80N303US has a flashing normal light.
How long have you had your DW80N303US?
Since November of 2018.
What have you tried so far with your Samsung product?
We just had a new garbage disposal installed. The plug was not removed from the connector. I've removed the plug and reattached the hose. The washer has now drained, but the light is still flashing. I have tried the reset button and tried powering it off. But the issue persists.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you today. The site will give an additional option to speak by phone, which you can ignore if you want.
Okay. Let's try via text and see if we can fix it that way.
Still typing. The normal light flashing on this dishwasher means water has worked its way into the base pan below the dishwasher. You'd need to uninstall the entire dishwasher and remove the bottom access panel below the dishwasher to see if there is water touching the flood sensor. If you find no water, replace the sensor. If you do find water, try to track down where it's coming from because you may have a loose hose clamp or something like that, although it can also occur if there were too many suds. Below is a video on how to remove the bottom panel and access the sensor and such. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Could this have been caused by water being unable to drain while waiting to fix the garbage disposal? Could it dry out on its own?
Yes, that can definitely cause it to overflow and go into the drain pan below. If you unplug the dishwasher or flip the breaker off, it'll usually dry in about a week or so. That takes a long time to dry out that way, however.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.